Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. This wig is from WOWANGEL. This is a body wave wig, 34 inches, 180% density. This is supposed to be HD lace, so we're gonna see. I was gonna open it, like I ordered so many wigs at once, but I was like, wait, what brand is this? So I needed to peek a little bit, but as y'all can see, I didn't open it all the way. I wanted to open it with you all. Once again, I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. This wig is not sponsored, not this wig, but this video isn't sponsored either. We're going to go ahead and open this package. Before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so I feel like I've heard of this company before. I can't remember, but if you all had any experiences with this company, let me know. I'm going to ALIEXPRESS next week, and I ordered a 40-inch deep wave wig, 38-inch 613 wig, and then just a 34-inch body wave wig to see if I wanted just a jet black like side part and all of that. I feel like I love my good side parts. Or if I just want to do like the bust down middle part jet black, since I'm seeing Nikki and all. But let's open this. Bam, here's the box, a nice little pink box and all that. Got my eyebrow razor here. Let's see what the girls have here. So, comes with a little flyer or whatever. You all know how that goes. And some raggedy lashes. Well, these lashes really aren't the worst I've seen. They're foamy. They're not the worst. Let's go ahead and look at this here wig, child. Okay, I can look at the bag. Like I'm looking through the plastic and I can see this lace is possibly good. It may be good. Comes with a little bracelet too. So yeah, this is also 180% density. I forgot what density I got. But I'm pretty excited. I'm not sure what kind of hair I should have for Essence Festival. I think I may do a wig change like some of the days, at least Nikki's day. We'll see. Comes with a wig cap. So let's take this hair off, take off the little netting. Oh, this hair looks so beautiful. Oh, so it's not body wave. I'm sorry, you all. This is actually a straight wig. But look at how pretty. Oh, this hair is it's so thick, y'all. Like, this is 180% density. Like, if you watch my videos, you know I usually get, oh, here's another like little band. I usually get 250% density, but this is actually really, really thick. Like, look at those, like, look at these ends and everything. Like, this is actually giving. Like, the end is thick to the ends. This wig is really soft. And just so you all know, when I like get these wigs, I don't tell them, hey, I'm a YouTuber, give me the best hair, or anything like that. All I say is, hey, do you have a 34-inch 180% density wig in stock right now? They say yes or no. Sometimes I ask for a picture. It depends what kind of mood I'm in. Makes you feel better, then definitely ask for a picture. But y'all, let me show y'all this lace. So look at this lace. Put my hand behind it. I don't have my nails done. Wait, let me put this side of my arm behind it. So if you look really closely at this lace, I'm not sure what the camera quality is like, but you see like there are tiny strands like kind of falling off of the lace like that. Like you can see that the lace is very, very delicate, which is good. This is actually, I think it really is HD lace. Looking at the lace, it looks a little darker, but not too dark for me. Like if you're really light, then maybe. Like this is a nice color. And I'm definitely gonna put lace tint on it. Like it doesn't look like the clearest lace, but like look, you can tell it's good. Look at those strings coming out of the front of the lace. So it so it does have like an elastic band here attached to it, and then I guess you kind of clip this elastic band to it and then clip it to the other side, and then you have a way to make your wig possibly glueless. Oh yeah, let's flip this wig over. So it's a 13x6 wig. As you all know, they don't make them like they used to anymore. you get 6 inches back. So that's the wig. So you get 6 inches in the middle and then like maybe an inch or 2 on the side. I am like looking at this lace, it's definitely a little darker than what I'm used to. For me, it's gonna work, like it's fine. But definitely if you're a little lighter, this might not work for you. It's easy to make lace darker, but it's not easy to make lace lighter. Like, look at that, that looks good. But even like me holding it like this, the lace is very like invisible. The hair itself is so thick, like this is a lot of hair. I wasn't expecting to be wowed by this wig. Not, okay, it sounds like I'm doing a commercial because it is called WOWANGEL, but I wasn't expecting to be wowed by this wig because like, how many straight wigs have I done on this channel? A million. But I really like this wig. You all know one of my favorite companies for a while have been Oscily, but lately some people have had shipping issues with them and stuff. So I'm happy to be able to try this new company. Like, this looks really thick and beautiful. Let me get my measuring tape and show you all how long the hair really is, what it's giving. So let's see, this hair looks good. Y'all, I just got a Dyson Airwrap. I don't know, Best Buy randomly had them. So I'm going to probably curl some hair with that. I gotta show you all that. That's another reason why I just wanted like a plain wig like this instead of like the deep wave wig. So I could use the Dyson Airwrap. The hair is actually, hold on. So I'm holding the measuring tape up there. So looking at it, the hair is actually like, so there's 34. It's low-key touching 35, 36, but this hair is more than true to length, so that's fantastic. Like, this hair is really thick. Like, oh, it's giving. I haven't experienced a wig this thick since like Science Show, and that was 200, like a straight wig that is this thick. Well, Kiss Love was pretty thick too. Yeah, Kiss Love was thick. But I'm excited to try it, and then I'll let you know comparatively to Be Thyself and Kiss Love. But here's the hair. It's really thick. Like, you can't see through it. Like, you can't see me through this hair. This is really good. I may wear this. I will probably be dyeing it black. It looks so, like, smooth and all that. Like, it just looks good. I like this. Like, look at that. Wow. I'm excited. Now I don't know what wig I want to wear to see Nikki. Well, go to Essence Festival. I may have to put on a new wig every day of Essence Festival at this rate. Like, look at this. This looks so good. I'm going to link the hair in the description box and all that. I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And have a great day, you all. Bye, guys.